Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your sharing settings. But before proceeding with our today's video, please leave a like on our video, comment below and let us know your thoughts, share our videos with your friends, subscribe to our channel to stay connected with us, and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further delay, let's start with our today's video. To change your sharing settings, you need to log into your Facebook from any browser. As you can see, I have already logged into my Facebook. Now on your topmost right hand side, you will find an arrow facing downwards. Click on that. Go to settings and privacy, settings. On your left hand side, you will find privacy. Now over here, you have some sharing options under your activity. You can change who can see your future post. You can change it from public to having a customized list. If you choose public, then your post will be viewed and shared by anyone. If you choose friends or some exception in your friend list, then your post will only be seen by them and also can be shared by them only and none other than them. You can also have some changes in the post that you will be tagged in by your friends. And then comes a very important option. You can limit the audience for posts you have shared with friends, of friends, or public. If you click limit past post, what happens is, let's say you have been posting since a very long time, you have been using your account since many years, and you have a lot of posts which are either public or can be viewed by friends or friends of friends, and you cannot change one by one. In my previous video, I have shown you how to change audience for your post. If you watch that video, you will know how to change the privacy of your post. It is not possible to change the privacy of all the posts at once. So what you can do is, you can just click on limit past post, and all the posts that are public or can be viewed by friends of friends will be limited to your friends only, which means your old post can only be viewed now by your friends. As you can see over here, it says if you want to change who can see a specific post. In my last video, I have shown you how to change privacy of a specific post. You can go to the post and choose a different audience. Click on limit past post. The audience for the selected content has been changed. And then you can also change the privacy of the people, pages and list that you follow. And then on your left hand side, you will find profile and tagging, where here under profile you can see who can post on your profile. You can change whether anyone can post on your profile or no. I have chosen friends. My friends will be allowed to post on my profile. You can choose only me if you don't want your friends to post anything on your profile. And then comes who can see what others post on your profile. For example, a friend of mine wished happy birthday. Now if I keep it as friends, then my friends will be able to see who have wished me on my birthday. If I choose only me, then nobody else will be able to see what has been posted on my timeline. I can either choose everyone or the friends of friends. And then you can also hide comments containing certain words from your profile. You can add the words that you don't want it to be on your profile. You can add any file from .csv. You can also see some variations. Once you add them, you can just click on save and your changes will be saved. And under tagging, it comes who can see my post that I have been tagged in on my profile. My privacy is my friends. It means anyone who is in my friend list can be seen where I am tagged in. I can choose it to be everyone. I can also choose to have some specific friends if I want. And then comes when you are tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it. Friends has been chosen. I can also have a customized list, or I can also make it private if I wish to. Review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on your timeline. Turn it on. This means Facebook will be asking you if the post that you have been tagged in can be appeared on your profile or no. If you do not allow, you will have an option to say yes or no. If you allow, then it will appear on your profile. If you do not allow, then you will be tagged in, but it will not appear on your timeline. And the second option says review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. Turn it on. And then we have stories. I have previously made a video on this. Please go to our YouTube channel and watch the video that I have recently uploaded. I hope my video was informative. Please let us know if you have any suggestions for us. Do remember to like our video, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to learn more. Also, to get notification whenever we upload something new, hit the bell icon.